Krishna, Krishna, where are you, Krishna? Krishna. Oh, look who's here. I know you all have gathered here to know about Bhat roll. But it's not so simple to understand the meaning and the significance of this place. You only need... Okay, actually, as you all are so eager to understand the importance of this place, we will have to enter Vrindavan first. So come with me and all my Gopa friends to Vrindavan, where we play, dance and enjoy and have a marvelous time with Krishna.
Dum taka, hey dum taka, hey dum taka dum taka dum ta na 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 na.
Krishna, we are terribly hungry. Oh, my friend. my village, there are some learned brahmanas who are practicing austerities by performing puja. They are eloquently reciting mantras with the hope they will find abode in the heavenly planets.
Swargalok! Oh, they want to enjoy in the heavenly planets.
Yes, my friends. At this time, it's very auspicious to offer in charity. I think...
Oh, so we will tell them that Krishna is hungry and they will give us plenty of food.
Wait. From behind me. Just tell them Balram is hungry. As he is a Kshatriya, they'll offer him plenty of food in charity. Don't forget to bring my jalebis.
Mana gulab jamun.
Don't forget my laddus and my rasgullas too.
योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति अग्निर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति योऽग्नेरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अग्नेरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति वायुर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो वायोरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै वायोरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति असौ वै तपन्नपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति योमश्यतपत आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अमश्यतपत आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति
You are so very learned and pure in your hearts and are living for the welfare of others. Can you hear us? Don't! He is a Brahmana. Don't touch him. Oh, Brahmanas, please hear us. Very close by, at the banks of river Yamuna, Balram is herding cows and is very hungry. And with him is Krishna too, who is also very hungry. They have sent us with a request to get some food for them. And at the time of the yajna, to offer food as charity is very auspicious. Look, they are not even listening. They are not even bothered. What will we tell Krishna? Oh! Look at the laddus, jalebis, chakis. This is making my mouth water. Can't they give us little of that? Let's go. We will tell Krishna they don't even look at us.
यत्पद्यन्यप्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति
Stop it, John. Krishna, we are hungry. Why are they taking so long?
Krishna, will my favorite jalebis and Srikhand be there? Will you share it with me too?
Yes, we will all share. Yummy, sandesh and sweet rice. Can't wait anymore.
Hey, look, they've come.
Hey,
Where's the food?
Where's my Srikhand?
My rasgullas.
Where are all the bhogas? Where is all the food?
These brahmanas, they are supposed to be living for the welfare of others. They didn't even look at us. They ignored us and neglected us. Krishna, as you said, we shouted Balram's name too. Even your name too, Krishna. What is the use then of their big mantras?
My dear Gopals, to see fault in others contaminates our hearts. I know you're feeling bad. Sometimes people give in charity and sometimes they don't. We simply have to beg. Try not to be disturbed.
Krishna, this is a nice philosophy. But on an empty stomach, nothing goes in except food.
Krishna, my stomach is growling.
Yes! It's growling very loudly.
Oh, Krishna, we are hungry. Why is everybody so unkind?
No. They aren't unkind.
Krishna, please think of a plan where we can get some food.
I have an idea.
What?
Now this time, you go to the Brahmin Patnis.
No, we do not want to go there again. What is the use? They will also treat us in the similar manner. Better to tolerate hunger than insult.
No, my friend. Please go. One last time. For me.
No.
Will you at least go?
No.
Okay, fine. Don't go. Remain hungry.
Okay, Krishna, we'll go if you want us to. Krishna, we'll go if you insist.
And tell the Brahmin Patnis about Dauji and me. And see what they will do.
And what mission is that?
This is the mission of Balram and Krishna.
Krishna? Krishna? Say Krishna. Did you just say Krishna?
Yes, he has come a long way with us and Balram.
Lala, where? Do you know where is Krishna now?
At the banks of river Yamuna.
Yeah, see him.
But please, he is hungry. He needs food.
Hurry, Lala. Why did you tell us earlier that Krishna is hungry? Look, we have so much food. Look, I made so many jalebis.
See, I made laddu. See? Can I help you carry some hoga?
No, Lala. You all carry on. We'll be there in no time.
Krishna and Balram will not go hungry. We will feed them till they are satisfied.
But how will you recognize Krishna?
Oh, we will recognize him. He has a dark blue, beautiful complexion and a peacock feather on his head. A garland of forest flowers and golden garments.
Oh, we know how he looks.
Brahmanis! Food!
You go, Lala. We'll get all the food.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Give me the bhoga!
Sorry, brother,
Sorry? Sorry for what?
but we cannot give you the bhoga.
But why?
We are going to the forest at the Yamuna.
Forest? Who's in the forest? Forest? What's all this commotion about? What's happening? They all want to go to the forest with all the bhogas. Why? Why?
But we are going for the Supreme Lord, Krishna and Balram. They're friends. All of them are hungry.
How dare you do that? Aren't you all afraid of your husbands?
Brother, it's not that we are afraid of our husbands or don't respect them, but it is Krishna. And he's hungry. How can we leave him hungry? Father, please allow us to go.
Stop! I warn you. If you go to the forest, there is no return. Your chastity will be destroyed. You'll be dishonored. And you'll be abandoned by all. Oh God! What has happened to this spice? Please stop them! Go! Please stop them! Where are you going? You can't go! Take her inside! Take her inside! Take her inside! You can't go inside! You can't go!
Linda, look at those trees. They're bowing their heads down. We may be very close to Shyam Sundar now.
Yes, Anjali. Looks like we are very close. But look at these wild leaves. Krishna and Balram are so hungry. I just hope they don't start eating these wild leaves. Oh. Manjari, this cool breeze, I think it is coming from the river Yamuna. Do you hear it? Do you hear the river flowing? Do you hear it? I think we are close.
Krishna and Balram must be playing in the Yamuna, splashing at each other.
Hey, look! Look at the effulgence! Look! Can you see that? Tulsi? It's a sign! It's a sign! Let's close. Welcome, oh Brahmanis. I'm so happy to see you. You have overcome many obstacles to come here. But I cannot repay you in any way.
Oh Gopal, we don't want anything from you, Gopal. Your darshan has made it all worthwhile, Gopal.
What can I do for you? You have carried so much bhoga for me. Your coming here is glorious. I would be truly indebted to you for your generosity. Your heart is filled with love for me, and I am satiated with your love. But my request is to please go back home.
Home? Krishna? Home?
Yes! Go back home!
Krishna, we cannot go home. How can you ask us to go home?
Krishna, you are our only desire and our aspiration and goal of life. We only want to serve you, Krishna. Please don't send us home. Please.
Krishna, how could you tell us to go back to those worthless material attachments?
Your husbands need you!
Krishna, we left everything for you. Our children, husband, family, relatives, everything for you. We cannot go back home, Krishna.
Krishna, why would a river which has traveled miles to meet the sea want to go back all the way to the mountain, Krishna? It's not possible. It's just not possible.
And a person who's blind since birth gets back his vision. He will not choose to be blind again, Krishna. He will not.
Please, Krishna, please. Don't speak these words. We, all of us, we've given our hearts to you.
Krishna, I know, Krishna, that we are not even qualified to be the servants of your maidservants. But please don't send us home.
No, Krishna, we'll just remain in here in the forest, but not go home, Krishna, please.
Yes, Krishna.
We don't want any position from you. We don't want anything, right? We don't want anything. So please, can we stay? Please?
We just want to worship the Tulsi at your lotus feet, Krishna.
That's all. I know! You have taken a great risk to come here. I have accepted your offering.
But please don't tell us to go back, Krishna.
What will your family think?
Which family are you talking
Your
about?
family? You are a member of an aristocratic family.
Which aristocratic family are you talking about, Krishna? Which one? Tell them. They rejected us, Krishna. They rejected us. Hey, Gopala, please. We are not trying to maintain a false identification of the so-called Brahmana society. You can easily ascertain this from our words.
And Krishna, that family threatened us. They threatened us. They will kill us if we enter that village, Krishna. How can we go back?
I know. But you must set the proper standard for the society. And besides that, you have taken your marriage vows to be together. Your husbands are performing yagyas and they need your help to do so. You must go back.
Krishna, as young girls, we grew up listening and hearing about your pastimes. And during that, We fell in love with you. We love you, Krishna. We love you. Krishna, our husbands are doubtful. And they don't want anything to do with us. So how can you send us home?
Yes, Krishna, yes. After all this, how can you send us home, Krishna? They will accept you back by my influence. Krishna, please. This is my will.
Krishna!
ओ गोपाला रे अद्भुत और न्यारे आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले
आप ही तो हमरे
झूठी दुनिया झूठे बंधन आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले
सुनो भगवान हमारी उलझन टुकराए जो अपनों का मन अब न देंगे हमको वो सहारे आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले
आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले करुणा का जल उन पे पावन कर दो हमरे अपनों को
तन और मन के अर्पण एक तो साचो तेरो नाम रे
भगवन ये जीवन तुम है ना सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे ओ गोपाला रे अद्भुत और न्यारे आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले
Krishna! Krishna! We'll do anything for you. Anything. But please don't tell us to go back. You're our only shelter, Krishna. Oh, merciful Lord, oh, King of the enemies, please. Please don't tell us to go back home. Krishna, please remove all the obstacles that prevent us from attaining you, Krishna. Please, we beg of you.
My dear Brahmin Patnis, you are very dear to me. You have pure love for me and have dedicated your whole life for my happiness. You should not do something that is against my intention. Do not be stubborn, but return home. You will not attain me? simply by a physical proximity to me. But by chanting my name and hearing my pastimes, I will be constantly present in your heart. By your association and my influence, your husbands will change. Don't worry. Please go back.
सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य
Abandon all varieties of religion
मामेकं शरणं व्रज
and just surrender unto me, O Arjuna.
अहं त्वां सर्वपापे
I shall deliver you from all sinful reactions.
मोक्षयिष्यामि मां
O Arjuna, do not fear. Do not fear. Do not fear.
मोक्षयिष्यामि मां शुचम्
Did you see the devotion? It was because of the devotion of these Brahmin Patnis this place was known as Bhat Roll. Bhat means rice, and here the pastimes of hungry Krishna and the simplicity of his true devotees were revealed. I can hear all of y'all want to visit Bhat Roll. It is very easy to find Bhat Roll. It is located in the holy dham of Vrindavan, very close to Akrur Ghat. But remember, the one who has unmotivated devotion for Krishna will understand the significance of this place.
What's happening? What has happened to our wives? How did they become fearless? And where did they get the courage from?
What made them run away with the Bhoga? And for whom? Krishna and Balaram, did you say? Krishna and Balaram? Oh no! We were such fools!
Fools? But why, sir?
Don't you see? We know that Krishna has taken birth in the Yadu dynasty. We were so much caught up in a yajna. Krishna came here asking for Bhoga. But we were so much caught up that we neglected him.
It's like all the ladies cooking everything all day long and putting it on a plate, and the pujari forgets to offer it. Oh, shame on us! Shame on us!
Dek Janma, Dek Vritam, The Kriya Daksham. To hell with our rituals. To hell with our high birth. To hell with our aristocracy and our learning. To hell with our Brahminical thread. To hell with our tantra, mantra, mudras and pujas. To hell with everything. We have missed the whole purpose of our lives. Yes. We have neglected Krishna. But our wives, they haven't neglected. Their life is glorious. Their life is glorious. They didn't do any yajnas. They don't know any mantras like us. They are not learned scholars. And they don't have people coming and touching their feet. Yes, they are simple wives, cleaning, cooking, taking care of children, chit-chatting with the flower vendors and fruit sellers in Vrindavan. They have understood the essence of all religious principles. Vedesha sarve ahameva vedya vedanta krit ved vidya.
Enough! Enough of these mantras! Enough of these pujas! Why are we wasting our time now, oh brothers? We should go to the forest too and surrender our lives to Krishna. Seek forgiveness from Krishna. I'm sure he will forgive us. Let's go, brothers. Let's go.
Wait.
Now what?
What if he comes to know about it?
Who he?
Our king, King Kamsa. He has spies all around. And if he comes to know, he will punish us or even kill us. Shame on us, shame on us. Shame on us, shame on us. We are still fearful of our lives, but our wives, glorious is their life, glorious is their life.
Puffed up in pride, knowing the tantras and the mantras, thought that their wives were just chit-chatting with the fruit vendor. But these uneducated wives were listening to the pastimes of Krishna from the pure-hearted fruit seller, and this had invoked pure love for Krishna, and they attained true perfection of life. Bhakti is simple for the simple and complicated for the complicated. O Gopala re, अद्भुत और न्यारे, आप ही तो हमरे रखवाले. This bhoga is no ordinary. It is flavored, garnished, and spiced with the fragrance of love of the Brahmin Patnis. And this had invoked and this was thoroughly relished by Krishna.
Wait! We want to share this bhoga with all of you! Come on, my Gopals!
भाई वाह
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.